Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the show. Dylan here. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to make over $4,000 per week driving for Uber. If you didn't know that that was possible, well, it is. You could potentially be getting rich and buy a house. You can buy a Lamborghini just by driving for Uber, or a Tesla, right? I know some people are driving Teslas and paying off their cars and really getting financial freedom just from driving for Uber. First, I want to thank our sponsor. T-Mobile just bought this company and they're sending drivers across the nation free tablets to put in their car, start making some extra income. So use the link below. You can sign up in 4.2 minutes and let's get started, my friends. So looky here, my friends. This comes out of our Uber/Lyft drivers Facebook group that we are a part of. You can join it if you'd like. But listen to this. This driver, my friends, made $4,000 last week from June 27th to July 4th. How is that possible? Well, basically he drove 81 hours, 197 trips, and he achieved 435 points. That's honestly the most I've seen. Let's look at the earnings activity, or the breakdown, sorry. Net fare, $3,000. Promotions, $800. But even without the promotions, I mean, these are the Uber quests. You guys know Uber's sending out promotions like crazy right now, giving drivers insane bonuses to be driving because they're struggling to find drivers. They even started having to lay off workers to cut costs. Tips, $400. This dude's a friendly gentleman. He's making a ton of money. He's got a good attitude. But listen to this. Mike Armstrong, he's a hater. He says, why work 80 hours in 1 week? Let's spend the next week sitting on your butt. Just work too much easier 40 weeks. Well, Mike Armstrong, that takes twice as long. He ain't got time to waste, bro. Saliu Sese says, I believe this one was the one from last year. Where in the heck was you at? Good job, bro. This is fake. Been posting in San Diego. That is not fake. That looks real to me. I mean, this guy had to have some insane Photoshop skills to be able to do the dotted line here, the 1,000 here. I mean, this looks real to me. This looks real. I don't see any Photoshop here. 45, oh, that person got deactivated, blah, blah, blah. So anyways, want to make this quick vid. Let me know what you guys think about this. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And again, sign up for Play Octopus down below and start making some income. T-Mobile is sending drivers across the nation in the United States free tablets to put in your car and start making some income. Take care now. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.